In this video, let me show you how to take the function from example 1 and make a conjecture about the value of the limit. So we want to make a conjecture about the limit as x goes to 0 of the following function, x divided by the square root of x plus 1 minus 1. Let me show you how you would do this on your calculator. Okay, first you would go to the y equals button. Then in your first function, you would type in the expression. So you would say x divided by parenthesis, second, and then square root x plus 1. Then you would hit the right cursor to come out of the root, minus 1, and then close parenthesis. And that would be the expression. So that's your function tucked away into the y1 variable. Now we're going to go to table set. So second table set. I want my table to start at negative 0.01. And I'm going to do something. I want the increments to be 0.01, which won't really matter much. Here's the thing that we're going to do different. We're going to change the independent variable to ask, which means when I go to the table, it actually will ask me what I want to type in, and then the calculator will calculate the function at that point. So now I go to second table. Second table. There we go. So what is the value of my function at negative 0.01? 1.995. What is the value of the function at negative 0.001? 1.995. 0.0001. 1.999. Negative 0.00001. The calculator says 2 when it's not really 2. The problem is the calculator is rounding up. So it's actually 1.9999, probably a couple more 9s, and then a 5. What is the value of the function at, let's delete those. What is the value of the function at 0.00001? Okay, again, the calculator is rounding up. 0.001. 0.01. And if you're doing this on a TI-83, your TI-83 might round up also. So anyways, what's the conjecture? Well, the evidence is telling us that as we approach 0 from both sides, from the left and the right, the function seems to be approaching 2. And so our conjecture is that the value of this limit is 2 as we approach from the left and the right. So we would say the limit as x goes to 0 of x over square root of x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2.